Peekaboocartoonkidz.
One little duck with feathers so blue waddled to the pond and said, "Yoo-hoo!" Splashed in the water with a great big grin. "Where's my friend? Let's count to 10." Two little ducks, red and bright, flapped their wings with happy delight. They paddled round and gave a cheer. Quack-quack, more duckies near. Three little ducks in yellow hats chased each other with joyful splats. They giggled loud and made a line. "Let's count duckies, now there's 9." Four little ducks, all colored green, played peekaboo behind a screen. They popped right out with happy quacks, jumped in puddles, splashed their backs. Five little ducks in purple shoes danced around with playful moves. They made a circle, flapped with cheer. "We're halfway there, hooray, we're here." Six little ducks in orange so bright sailed on lily pads left and right. They sang a song with a ducky beat, then hopped ashore on tiny feet. Seven little ducks, pink and round, rolled down a hill with a giggling sound. They counted stars and pointed high. 7, 8, almost to the sky. Eight little ducks with rainbow tails wiggled and danced on wooden rails. They spun around and splashed again. "Come on now, let's reach to 10." Nine little ducks in sparkling gold huddled up, it's getting cold. They called their friend in a happy den. "One more duck, we'll make it 10." 10 little ducks in colors so grand marched together, wing in hand. Blue, red, yellow, every shade. We counted ducks, hip, hip, hooray! 1 to 10, colors bright, let's play a